Ever wondered about a career in digital marketing and how to get started? Digital marketing employs online channels and platforms to effectively advertise products or services. It's a dynamic field, encompassing strategies like SEO, social media, email, and content marketing. With businesses increasingly reliant on online marketing, digital skills are in high demand. This field offers a diverse range of career options and is constantly evolving, keeping you engaged and excited. But how can you kickstart your digital marketing journey? Let's dive into it. Starting with digital marketing involves a few clear steps. First and foremost, assess your interests and strengths. Are you drawn to the analytical side of SEO or the creativity involved in content creation? Once you've identified your passion, it's time to build a solid foundation. Understand the basic concepts of digital marketing, such as search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and content marketing. Consider bolstering your knowledge by enrolling in online courses and earning certifications from renowned platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or HubSpot Academy. This theoretical understanding is invaluable, but nothing beats hands-on experience. So take on personal projects or volunteer to get your feet wet. Don't forget the importance of an online presence. Start a blog, create a portfolio, and build a robust LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills and knowledge. Once you have a firm understanding and some experience, it's time to dive deeper into the various specializations. Digital marketing is a broad field with several areas to specialize in. You could become an SEO specialist, focusing on optimizing websites to rank higher in search engine results. Or consider the role of a social media manager, where you'll handle social media accounts and create engaging content. The role of a content marketer involves creating valuable content to attract and retain customers. You could also dive deep into data as a data analyst, making data-driven marketing decisions. After finding your niche, it's time to connect with others in the field and stay updated. In the digital marketing world, networking and staying updated are crucial. Think of networking as weaving a web of invaluable industry connections. Attend events, webinars, join online communities to engage and learn from like-minded professionals. But remember, it's a two-way street, so be ready to share your insights too. Then there's staying updated. Digital marketing is a dynamic field, trends change rapidly. So read blogs, watch videos, follow industry leaders to keep your knowledge fresh. With the right knowledge, experience, and connections, you're ready to build your digital marketing career. Equipped with skills and a network, it's time to build your career. Start small with entry-level positions or internships. This real-world experience is invaluable. Then, as your expertise grows, consider more specialized roles. You might even envision launching your own digital marketing agency. Each step forward is a testament to your commitment and passion. Remember, learning digital marketing is an exciting journey of continuous learning, staying updated, and adapting to change. Happy marketing!